Hey everyone, Rybonator here. You might have noticed that it's been a hot minute since there's been some videos out, but I have what I feel is a pretty good reason for that. We've got a lot of big projects coming on, but I want to talk about those a little bit later because I want to talk about the main reason and what's been going on. Some of you might already know what's been happening in life for me and Rybo Wife lately, but good news, we're pregnant. Super pregnant. Really pregnant, as a matter of fact. Like, due within the next week, pregnant. It is crazy. It is absolutely wild. We are equal parts excited and terrified. And so I've been a little bit busy with that. I actually have a reenactment of when we found out we were pregnant, so I'm going to go ahead and play that. So Rybo Wife and I are about to find out if we're pregnant. We're going to, metaphorically roll the dice. Well, I actually have a D20. Let's just roll the dice just for giggles. That'd be fun. It's just that's a nat 20. In D&D, you double the weapon dice. For pregnancies, you what do we twins. We're having twins. 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 We're having twins. Did I say that? We're having twins. It is terrifying. It is super scary. I was definitely always expected to be a one-child kind of family, and so it's a lot. It's a lot, but we're super excited. We couldn't be happier. Everything is amazing. But as I said, we've been in this pregnancy thing for a while now. We're due very soon. We were not expected to go this long. Twin pregnancies are very high-risk pregnancies, and so I've been helping a lot. It's kind of an all-hands-on-deck kind of situation where I just have to be there to help, and so that's what I've been doing. I hope that you can be patient with us as I try and do this and learn, hopefully very soon, what it's like to be a father to two. Did I mention that we're having twins? I think I mentioned we're having twins. I'm going to be a father very soon to two kids, and so I've been busy and been helping Rybo Wife during all of this, and so it's just been intense, and so please be patient. We will get back to the regularly scheduled programming as best as we can very soon, but that's all good news. Yay. I hope you're excited for Rybo Boy and Rybo Girl. We have one of each. That's amazing, and we're just very excited. Terrified, excited. I think that's all the things that parents should be and always will be. So there's that. That's one big piece of news. We've got other things coming along, so I wanted to update you on that. And woo, yay, congratulations for us and stress for us, but it's going to be awesome. We're also working on a couple big things coming up. Obviously, still got some dice on the way. I actually have a game that I'm making. It needs more testing to exist. I've got a couple buddies and a couple work people that are helping me kind of finagle this into a full-fledged game. It's going to be a card type game, and if everybody loves it, great, we'll kickstart it and turn it into a product, and if only a few people love it, okay, I'll just give it away for free. We're working on that, so look forward to that. That one's taken up the majority of my time working on things, as far as actually doing work. Had a couple failed projects that just didn't work out. Oh well, happens. We've got some more dice coming up. We're also working on a way to get Rybo dice to you, so stay tuned for that as well. Just through a combination of really big projects and really big life things, I've been busy. Hopefully, I will have some more time to do some stuff soon. I'm continuing to work on things, but got to take parent duties first. So please continue to look out for stuff. They will be coming hopefully soon as I get the game and some dice specific things ready for all of you and babies for us. So thanks for continuing to stick around. Hope to see you in 2023. I know our 2023 is going to kick absolute ass. So hope that yours does well. Thank you, everybody, for continuing to watch the channel. And if you've watched this update, then you're obviously in tune with things that are going on. So thank you so much. I hope that you all have a fantastic 2023. Did I mention that we're having twins?